Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com.
In this tutorial, we are going to learn JavaScript FunctionName function versus function name. Okay, let's get started. So I am inside a index.html, and this one I'm going to write the HTML code. Let's write down h1, and in this one I just put the title of our course and write down a script tag. And I am going to just define, console.log testing to figure out our code is working fine. Okay, so I hope everything is working fine. Testing is appearing. So first of all, we can just define a function very easily. Like, let's define add function over here, and it will accept a comma b as a parameter. And what it will do, it will just add both numbers and give you the result. Okay, so let's do this, and I'm going to call this with add. Let's process number 11 and 22. Okay, see, we got the result 33 over here. It means this function, the simple basic function with two parameters, are working fine. Now let's see how we can make another function. Okay, let's define. We are at 2, and in this one I'm going to define unnamed or anonymous function. And in this way I'm going to just write this code like this. Let's make some variable and just call the a plus b like this. And console.log will just display the sum. Okay, and as we can see, we have added a anonymous function and assigned this to a variable. Now I'm going to call this with the add2, and add2, let's pass a number 3, 4, and you will see the result will appear. We didn't pass the a comma b, that's why it's giving us the error. Now I just provided it and it's showing the result. This is another way. This syntax may seem odd, but it may make more sense when you consider that a function is an object, or we are just assigning a name to an object. Okay, it's very handy when we use it. This is the ability to declare this function in this way in object-oriented programming is very useful. Now let's create a object. Now let's go. I'm going to create a my object and assigning it a new object. Okay, and I'm going to call this my object dot a property. Let's say add numbers is the property that we added, and now I'm going to use the same function that we defined over here and assign to it, and I'm going to call this my object dot add numbers. Okay, and this one I'm going to pass 55:66 something, a number to add, and let's see the result over here. It is just returning the result 121. So the ability to declare function in this way is useful in object-oriented programming, because we can have a function be a property of an object like this.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.